Hello, I'm Nikki from Narki on Tour, and we thought we would do something a little different today. We are a small travel slash van life YouTube channel, and we hear so many people get so excited when they become monetized, and we just thought that we would break down exactly what we earn and the reason that we do what we do. So we became monetized in 2024. To be monetized on YouTube, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So we became monetized in 2024 following our travels to Singapore, Thailand, and Malaysia. So we grew a base and became monetized in 2024. So the reason that we began our journey on YouTube was I have dementia in my family, and we wanted a safe place where we can watch our vlogs, our edited version, somewhere safe, somewhere they're always going to be there. So we filmed them for our future, basically. It wasn't to make lots of money, because there are very, very few and far between that make a good amount of money on YouTube. So we just wanted this to be a reality check, and just we're a completely honest team, Mark and I. So we just wanted to get across how much we actually earn. I think it will shock a lot of people. When we broke it down, it certainly shocked us and surprised us. So stick around and we'll tell you exactly what we earn from a small travel vlog site on YouTube. Yes, so without further ado, so far we've done 190 vlogs. It takes such a long time to film, to edit, to upload. So we're thinking around about 50 hours of our time on each sort of 20 to 30 minute vlog. So that's where we've kind of come up with the figures. So I'm now going to show you something completely shocking. Just exactly how much YouTube pay us for the amount of hours that we do. Okay. So based on our 190 vlogs, we've got 20 and a half, almost 20,500 watch time hours. And we have earned the grand total of $808.85. Now, to be honest, I'm so embarrassed to be showing you. It's shocking. It's shocking when you think of all the hours that we've put into this. I've actually done a little bit of research, and I've broken it down completely. So that is embarrassing. We have to laugh or we'll cry. So we've broken it down in terms of number of vlogs, the revenue, divided by the amount of hours that we believe we put into each vlog. So yeah, this is what I'm now going to talk about. So we have $808.85 divide by 190. So we earn $4 and almost 26 cents per vlog in the last 2 years. Now, we could go even further. So how about we break that down per hour? Let's see what we're earning an hour. Divide it by, we've worked it out, it's going to be about 50 hours. So we're basically, we're on YouTube and we are earning 8.5 cents per hour. Now, let that sink in. Even as a child doing a paper round 1 million years ago, I earned a lot more than that. So To say it was a reality check is a little bit of an understatement. But we started the vlog off by saying that we're not in it to earn money. Obviously, that would be nice. We do this because we have dementia in the family, and it would be nice that we collate all of our memories, put them all together. As I said, somewhere safe, somewhere where all the best bits of it edited out, and that's the reason that we do it. So don't let this put you off starting up a YouTube channel. We're a small YouTube travel channel. We've also noticed that whilst we did actually okay in Southeast Asia, we did quite well in Norway and Scandinavia. We then changed our niche a little bit, I guess, more into the van life genre. And there are an awful lot of van life YouTube channels. So, I mean, why would people choose us over everybody else? But certainly, winter in Spain, even though we think it was some of our best memories, and we shared some really great sights, some views, incredible places, incredible food, it just bombed. But we will always have those memories. We will always have them documented on YouTube. So that's really why we do what we do. I hope that you've gotten a bit more of an insight into us. We'd love for you to check out some of our travel vlogs, obviously. Subscribe if you like what you see and you want to see more. And we will be really grateful. It gives us a bigger incentive to carry on doing what we're doing. So thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Safe travels, everybody. Take care.